Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. Today we're going to be making some XXL large paper buttons. Took an inspiration from a video from lovely Treasure Books, and I will put her video down below just for your reference. But I love these huge buttons. They're so fun to make and quite addictive. Thank you, Natasha, for the inspiration, and until watching the video, and I'll see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today I want to recreate something that I saw from Natasha Treasure Books. Natasha's got, I'm sure every single one of you know Natasha, but if you don't, Natasha has got an amazing YouTube channel. It's probably the queen of jar journal. She's probably one of the true jar journal maker, because she actually used real junk to make her journal. And now Natasha's got a book out as well, so congratulations, Natasha, about the release of your book. A few weeks ago Natasha made a video on how to make huge 3D large paper buttons, and that video of course popped up on my YouTube, and I was like, oh my god, that is amazing. Loved it. Love the tutorial, love the inspirations behind it, and I thought, oh, let me do the same. I have done a few videos about how to make paper buttons. I just got a few here with me. I will put the link of this video in the description bar, but also at the end of the video. And also in this video I gifting you as a freebie these papers on the background, so you can put your paper buttons in there. On here I have used a stamp set from Stampin' Up to make these buttons, and then what I did, I layered them with cardstock and then I put it on these cards. So for today's project I thought we would use my August VIP papers. In case you are not aware, I have a subscription service on my website where when you sign up you get 12 months, you get at least 2 digital papers sent to your email address every month for 12 months. So if you join in August, you will get August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, I can count May and June and July. Okay, so you get a 12 months from the month that you join. So you get at least 2 digital papers. They are different from the one that I sell on my website. You also get a nominated 20% off discount code that you can use again for the full year on my papers on my website. And also, if that wasn't enough, every month you get a cheeky offer that sometimes is a free kit, sometimes is 50% off, 3 for 2, etc. So offers designed and kits designed specifically for my VIP members. What I did, I have used, this is a very old cardstock. It's quite thick and I have it in my stash. So I basically chopped, this is from the Peacock papers. I'm going to use a die, a circle die. In her video, Natasha showed she had, like, I don't know how you call them, that plastic thing that you can just mark with your pen. I generally don't know how you call that in English. I know the name in Italian, but I don't know that in English. But because I'm rubbish at fussy cutting, because I want to make quite a lot of them, I decided I'm going to use a die, and I'm only going to use one size. In Natasha's video, she used, I think, 2 circles, so 2 big buttons. I'm using this one. This is part of my nets die, so I think it's like 10 with different sizes. This one here is 2 3/4 inches, but you can make any sizes. The reason why I'm using the die again is because I don't want to fussy cut them. Simple as. So I'm going to position the die strategically where I want the buttons to be, and then I'm going to draw. I'm probably going to use my crocodile to make the four holes. So I've got 3. And then this is the papers from the vintage tapestry. That's 2 of the peacock embellishments from the ephemera page. I have used one of the other, this is from the Adventure of Travelers digital paper. They're 99p on my website, so it's part of, I just got one on the page. 2 more, 1 more peacock and the page with the tags. And the this is the 3rd extra kit that you get this month. And what I thought we'll do, I'm going to die cut the bird. Okay, so I'm going to die cut and I'll be right back. This could actually be amazing ATC coins if you do coins as well. So I just got these little bits and pieces. Right, so let me show you all together. I love them. Love them, love them. So that's the one with the peacock. I've got more, yeah. And what you could do as well, if you can sell them for like craft fairs. Let me get all the peacocks together. I think that one more. So that's the 6th one with the peacock. Then we've got the one with the birds. You see the birds? So we've got 3 of those. Look at that. I mean, if I receive that, I will be very happy. Very, very happy. Then we've got the one with the butterflies. Those 2 are very similar. And that one, I love this one. And the papers do the job, so you really have to glue them on a thicker cardstock and die cut them. That's got the cupid with a little hint of the butterfly. That's another one. And the one like that. Okay, so what I thought we'll do, where is my crocodile? There. Now, I will probably do one and I'll use it as a template, because what you want to do, I mean, you can go free spirit, or you can do what I'm doing is basically kind of like figure out the middle. So that's the, I'm just gonna draw a line there. That's not very centered. I mean, you could, okay, yeah, that's definitely not the middle. I mean, that is. Okay, and then divide that in half. Yeah, so ignore this one. So what I did, like cross, cross, diagonal, diagonal, and then you basically work out where you want your holes to be. So that's kind of like another circle. So my 4 holes are going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. See what I've done? You can literally measure them, but I'm not too fussy about it. They might not even going to work because I can see that's a bit too close. But honestly, guys, don't worry too much, because you're just going to miss the fun of it. What do you think? It's not perfect, but you get the gist. Okay, so what you can do after you do that, for example, on here I will probably go with the pen and just mark the hole so you see them like that. So if I, for example, if I've got any white paper there, so you see the hole better. Okay, so I'm gonna punch them all and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've done the holes. What I did in here, and this is to show you another option, you could put some, and on here just put some gold ribbon like that, like an X, and then tied it on the back. But yeah, they are super fun to make. I love them. I mean, if you compare these to regular size, they are pretty big. But yeah, so fun to make. So fun. Let me zoom out so you can see them. See them all done. The holes aren't perfect, but I'm not, literally guys, can't care less, because it's all the fun to make them. I mean, this is quite addictive. You can make it with any papers, and once you get the gist of, I suggest get a die cut rather than you fussy cut them, because at least you get a true circle shape. And then with the holes in the middle, you can go. The only challenge that I had in here, I wish they would have been close to the middle, but because the size of the button, my crocodile wouldn't go inside it. But it's fine. It's just the idea behind it. I hope I gave you some ideas, guys. And if you do make them, please share them on my Facebook group so everybody can see them. And then if you wish to join the VIP membership, I will be super delighted to gifting you 12 months full of digital paper surprise to your email. You get sent the first of the month. Again, you get a list to kitten every month, a discount code, and a cheeky offer. So very well worth it. And then I got a really a cheeky surprise at the end of this video as well. So thank you guys. Thank you to every single one of you for the continued support. And today the special shout out go to Sandra Ford, that put Sandra's comment in the video now. Sandra left a good heart, and I give this heart back at every single one of you, because you guys are awesome for your support, your like, your comments, your purchases, your subscription. Everything is really much appreciated. So thank you. Okay guys, so I am offering a £5 off discount code to all the existing VIP members. They actually resubscribed for the second year in a row, and I thought it's only fair that if I offer the same coupon code to you guys if you want to join. So yeah, so enjoy £5 off your VIP lounge. Add the kit to the cart and then add the code VIP5, just one word, VIP5 at checkout, and that will take £5 off immediately you subscribe. So just want to take 2 minutes to say thank you so much to Pamela, Rita, Eric. Yes, we have a guy. Doesn't happen often, but we do have some guys in the group. So yes, and Martha, and all these lovely guys have joined in June, and it's so heartfelt because Martha, and I've asked her if I have the permission to share, and she gave me the permission. Martha actually bought the VIP subscription for her friend. So her friend, as a birthday present, so her friend, which I get, of course, I have a detail, will receive the kits, the discount code, and the offer every month for 12 months. Well, I thought, what is a fourth lovely present? So yeah, just to give you some ideas, you want to treat yourself for your birthday or treat somebody else. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, a big huge thumbs up is always much appreciated. Guys, I will put a couple of links here on the video. One where we made small paper buttons, use some layered cardstock, and on that video guys, there are attached a couple of free cards that you can attach your button, very vintagey, very quite unique. And there is another video which again I will put a link on the screen when we make some paper flowers using those buttons. So again, couple of inspiration guys, couple of ideas for you to make. Thank you so much for watching once again, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Bye.